Welcome back to Quarantine Science with Mr. Nichols. Today, we're going to be talking about earthquakes. Earthquakes happen when two large pieces of the Earth's crust suddenly slip. This causes a shock wave to shake the surface of the Earth in the form of an earthquake. Where do earthquakes happen? Earthquakes usually occur on the edge of a large section of the Earth's crust called tectonic plates. These plates slowly move over a long period of time. Sometimes the edges, which are called fault lines, can get stuck, but the plates keep moving. Pressure slowly starts to build up where the edges are stuck, and once the pressure gets strong enough, the plates will suddenly move, causing an earthquake. Shock waves from an earthquake that travel through the ground are called seismic waves. They are most powerful at the center of the earthquake, but they travel through much of the Earth and back to the surface. They move quick at 20 times the speed of sound. Unfortunately, scientists cannot predict earthquakes. The best they can do today is point out where fault lines are so we know where earthquakes are likely to occur. Fun facts about earthquakes. The largest earthquake ever recorded in the world was in Chile in 1960. It measured a 9.6 on the Richter scale. The largest in the US was a 9.2 in Alaska in 1964. They can cause huge waves in the ocean called tsunamis. Movement of tectonic plates has formed large mountain ranges. Alright, today is our first non-messy science experiment, and what you're going to need is 2 books, a couple rubber bands, a ball, and then a building supply. That building supply could be blocks, that building supply could be Legos, it could be crayons, it could be a deck of cards, paper, whatever you have around your house. Don't go shopping for anything because you already have it at home. I'm going to use crayons, okay? And I'm going to set all this to the side, and I'm going to show you how to build our first part, and then we're going to guess what we're building. So what you're going to do is take your 2 books, okay, and you are going to put your rubber bands around your books like so. After you get your rubber bands around your books like so, I need you to take a ball, put it in the middle, and then sandwich this book on top, okay? The bigger the books, the better. And then if you have bigger books, you can use 2 balls to make your experiment even better. So once you get that, make sure your ball is in the middle, and then you kind of have a table that kind of looks like that, which is pretty cool. So right now I want you to take a moment and think about what is Mr. Nichols building. Alright, now that you're back, we are actually building a shaker table or a earthquake simulator. So what you're going to do from this part is start to build. Alright, I'm back. The crayons didn't work too well, so this time I'm going to try with a different supply. If you can see, these are Lincoln logs, and I'm going to build a structure with the Lincoln logs. And we'll see how long it stays up. Alright, now let's see how long it stays up. I'm going to start off slow. And I'm going to start to go faster and faster. Parents, as always, I've included an assignment to go along with this video. Please post a picture of your assignment in the portfolio section of Class Dojo. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We're here to help. Thank you.